Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the expression 3x minus 3 multiplied by minus of x minus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1. So from 3x minus 3 we can take 3 common, so it will be 3 multiplied by x minus 1, and from minus of x minus 1 we can take minus 1 common. So let's multiply 3 with minus 1, so it will become minus of 3, and so if we take minus 1 common from minus of x minus 1, so it will become x plus 1, right? And then we have 2x minus 1, so it will become minus of 3. Now carefully observe over here, we have x minus 1 whole multiplied by x plus 1. Can you find any sort of relation from this sort of expansion? Yes, there is a relation, which is x square minus 1, because we know that a minus b multiplied by a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. So if we compare a minus b multiplied by a plus b with x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1, then a will be synonymous to x and b will be synonymous to 1, so it will become x square minus 1. So a stands for x, so a square will become x square, and b stands for 1, so b square will become 1 square, which is 1. And then we have 2x minus 1, so this will become minus of 3 multiplied by x square multiplied by 2x minus 1 and minus of 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1. So it will be minus of 3 multiplied by x square multiplied by 2x will become 2x cube. Then we have minus of x square, then minus of 2x, and minus of minus will become plus 1. So finally our answer will be minus of 6x cube plus 3x square plus 6x minus of 3. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.